So, here I am. I walked down to Lower Radley today to get some footage of probably one of my favourite bits of the River Thames in Abingdon, which kind of goes north of the railway bridge, which is north of Abingdon Lock, over to Radley, past Nuneaton Estate, I think it's called. But yeah, I'm going to try and get some shots from down at the Radley College boathouse. It's a beautiful day, as you can see, stunning stuff, and hopefully we'll be able to get some nice footage. I'll be flying my DJI Mini 2 nicely. It's supposed to have a good wind resistance, but it's pretty windy out here today, so hopefully the level 5 wind resistance will hold up. So I'll get set up and I'll show you some nice footage. So I managed to get some nice stuff there on the little Mini 2. The little thing did well. Wind resistance held up considering it's bloody windy today. Considering it's very windy today. She's a good little thing because technically you don't need an A2C to fly, which is great. It's always worth doing your flyer ID and getting your operator ID sorted so you know that you're flying it safely. It's a nice little thing because you can carry it anywhere. It's so small and light and folds up so neatly that you can make sure that you can just shove it in your pocket. It's that old saying that the camera that you have with you is your best camera, and this is definitely it. I hope you've enjoyed watching, and we'll catch you again.